What should I do if the Apple Watch I purchased is still linked to the previous owner's Apple ID?
Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Today we'll be addressing a common issue: what to do if the Apple Watch you've purchased is still linked to the previous owner's Apple ID. This issue often arises when buying used Apple Watches, and we'll guide you through how to resolve it.
Understanding the problem.
When an Apple Watch is linked to an Apple ID, it's often due to the previous owner not fully erasing their data and disconnecting the device from their account. This can prevent you from using the watch as expected. In fact, you cannot fully utilize the Apple Watch until it's unlinked from the previous Apple ID.
How to contact the previous owner.
If you have access to the previous owner, the simplest way is to ask them to unlink the device. The process is easy. 1. They would need to open the Watch app on their iPhone. 2. Go to the My Watch tab and select the watch. 3. Tap the I symbol next to the watch. 4. Select Unpair Apple Watch. 5. They would be required to enter their Apple ID and password to confirm. This will completely erase the Apple Watch and remove it from their account. Ensure they do this while the watch is nearby.
What to do if you can't contact the previous owner?
If you can't get in touch with the previous owner, you have a bit more of a challenge. 1. Try to reset the Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button and digital crown until you see the Apple logo. This may or may not work, depending on whether activation lock is enabled. 2. If resetting doesn't work, you'll need to contact Apple support. Have your proof of purchase handy, as they'll likely need it to help resolve this issue. Be prepared to explain your situation. Buying a used Apple Watch can be a great way to enjoy the device at a fraction of the cost, but it can also come with some complications. The previous owner's Apple ID being linked is a common one. However, with the steps we've provided today, you should be able to navigate this issue with ease. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support. They're there to help. Thanks for joining us, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful.